Brutal attacks on drivers involved in motor vehicle crashes. It's an emerging trend to which the Road Safety Unit is calling for an immediate end. It's one of several issues Unit Director Kenut here listed as problems that complicate motor vehicle crash investigations. More in this report. As if the crash injuries aren't enough pain and suffering, Director of the Road Safety Unit Kenut here says there has been an increase in reports of victims also being robbed. But now it's even worse, as he adds that drivers of vehicles involved in collisions are also the target of physical attacks by onlookers if they believe that driver is at fault.
So they will destroy the motor vehicle. They will also beat the driver of the vehicle. This is not right, right? We condemn such actions.
Mr. Hare says this activity needs to stop.
Leave that alone. The crashes will be investigated. Crashes will be analyzed, and the chips will fall where they will fall. Jamaica has competent cadre of persons who have the requisite skills to analyze these collisions. So nobody have any right whatever to be attacking the motor vehicles that are involved in collisions and attacking people who are involved in collisions and wanting to do them physical harm.
Mr. Hare also pointed to the issue of posting gruesome images of crash victims on social media.
Instead of helping persons, they are quick to take photographs of the persons and videos and post them up all over social media.
He's appealing to citizens to stop the illegal act of robbing and harming victims and to refrain from posting images of road crashes on social media.
Let us try to genuinely help, right? Call for help. And as we enter the weather season, let us respect the weather and remember, drive for life. Let us drive for our family.
Since the start of the year, 260 persons have been killed in 228 fatal crashes. While fatal crashes have decreased by 3%, fatalities have increased by 3% when compared with the same period last year.